Narcan and maintaining its availability on site at county libraries.
So that kids are hanging out in the libraries after school, or even if they're nearby, they feel like one of their friends has been poisoned by fentanyl, they can rush into one of our county libraries and get Narcan administered.
Her motion would also direct public health to offer training to library staff volunteers on how to identify an overdose and safely administer naloxone. Han says they're also looking at the possibility of libraries being a distribution site for the overdose reversal medication. Margaret Carrero, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
720. Good day so far. Let's find out with Tom Busby at 720.
Well, you gotta love this. Upbeat earnings so far have the Dow moving up 510 points. NASDAQ ahead 206. S&P gaining 65. As mortgage rates rise, though, home builders are betting their business will slow down. That is putting in a bad mood. The National Association of Home Builders, Wells Fargo Index, and builder sentiment fell in October for a 10th straight month, down to the lowest level since May 2020 in the early days of the pandemic. Now, Pizza Hut is introducing a new grab-and-go option. Pizza Hut melts our slices of its thin and crispy pizza, folded over and baked and served with a variety of sauces. We check your money at 20 and 50 after every hour. I'm Bloomberg Steve Potusk from the California Deluxe Windows Money Desk, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
My calls are... I have no idea what time it is.
I should have told you.
It's all very early still.
We still love you, Steve. We'll talk to you in a bit. Coming up, I think this is really cool. It has to do with that animal crossing, for the lions so they don't get killed on the freeway. There's something new that they're going to introduce today, and it allows you to kind of see things there through technology. It's cool. You're going to hear about that coming up, and also another check on your drive. Jen's keeping an eye on things for when the vice president starts to move on the west side. So stay with us on LA's Morning News. More coming.
The voices you trust are on LA's Morning News.
It's not just reading people. This impacts you. I have kids that go to school here. I drive around town. I take the bus sometimes. I go to restaurants. And I think about that as I'm gathering news, how that matters to people.
Weekdays on KNX News, 97.1 FM.
When Vicky's driving around town, she can get an air purifier for her car. That's what I'm going to talk about right now. Wildfire smoke, let's focus on this. It can go thousands of miles carrying harmful pollutants and chemicals. You can easily breathe it in. And the smoke not only threatens the outdoor air, but the indoor air. But IQ Air has got you covered. So you can create a clean air zone. You can do this at home or capture 99.5% of the harmful pollutants, including those found in the smoke. So they've got the Health Pro Plus. This covers more than 1,100 square feet. It can protect you against viruses, bacteria, allergens, smoke, and smells. And then when you are commuting, the Autumn Car Purifier protects your air quality while you're on the road. Sits over the back seat and filters the air right there in the car. IQAir.com/US or 888-409-6202. You talk to a solutions expert. They'll help you out, answer any questions. Radio, you get 5% off all the residential systems. 888-409-6202. IQAir.com/US. Promo code radio, 5% off all the residential systems.
7:23, 2 minutes away from a check on your drive. Let's talk about this Cougar AR. Talking about the big cats. The National Wildlife Federation's Save LA Cougars campaign is going to hold a news conference a little later this morning, and they're going to show off augmented reality, this new experience. They say it'll let people this wildlife crossing, which is going to allow the animals such as cougars to not have to cross the freeway. It's going to be this bridge that goes over the 101. They're going to talk about this in Agoura Hills a little bit later. So the AR experience is designed in collaboration with the Annenberg Foundation and Snapchat. And it's going to be presented for the first time this morning at the site of the crossing. By anyone in their own space on Snapchat. So if you're on Snap, this is something for you. The construction on the crossing is underway now, and it's supposed to be completed in 2025.
The animal rescue groups in Orange County, they say the shelter by smaller cats and kittens. One group tells the Voice of OC the number of feral cats is increasing. There's a lack of affordable spay and neuter options. It's made worse by owners who are voluntarily surrendering the pets. OC Animal Care, the county-run shelter there, says it has euthanized 440 during the first 6 months of the year.
Uber ordering weed in Canada.
So far, Uber's pot delivery service is only available in Toronto. It's not quite the same as ordering fries. You still place the order through the app, but it's processed by a government-approved cannabis marketplace where licensed retailers handle all the deliveries themselves instead of letting Uber drive. In person, you got to be at least 19 and sober when your package arrives. Chris Mavridi, CBS News, Toronto.
Mike Simpson behind the scenes is envisioning a new kind of AR involving food.
Well, you clarify, you said Cougar AR, the cats. It's like so not like a video game where they buy you, Chardonnay at the bar.
Has that happened to you, Mike?
I thought you were talking about Vicky when you said Cougar. I wasn't sure what we were talking about.
No shame in you.
She's turning red.
Let's go to Scott. Okay, so this is the deal. What a walk. Flying in the Southern California Toyota dealer Sky 3.
Yeah, a little bit deceiving here. The Highland off-ramp is blocked. East, which kind of dumps onto the Highland, into the Highland off-ramp there. So that's open, but if you're on the freeway itself, 101 southbound, they have some kind of project going on there where you're not going to be able to get off the freeway. So it's going to back you up on the 170 southbound out of Valley Village, working your way into the Fuego Pass, and then slow again 101 southbound through Vermont down toward the 4-level interchange.
Lord 10 West, really heavy heading up towards West Los Angeles. And I bring that up because Kamala is going to be on the move soon, and I'm surprised I haven't got any tips anything down yet. Usually they do, with the motorcade and all. 323-467-1070 on Brent when she's heading out of LAX at 820. All right. This is a new crash, 405 South. This is by Cherry. There's an overturned car. We've got at least the left lane blocked. 3 cars involved. This is in in Long Beach, 405 southbound near Signal Hill. Sounds like a pretty bad crash. Then we've had this in the North Long Beach Paramount area, westbound side of the 91 at Paramount. You have the 3 right lanes blocked because of a fire, and the Paramount off-ramp was blocked. Prior to that, we've had a motorcycle crash on the West 91 at the 605. Which has got a couple lanes blocked with a backup to Cerritos. We've had another motorcycle crash in Orange County, south of the 5 before the 57 to 22. That's right before the crash at State College. You know, the carpool and left lane blocked there. That's a solid backup to the Brown. I'm hoping he's okay. And then past that, there was an earlier crash, South 5 at the 55. That's why the South 5 is so heavy. And the 55 South is just a nightmare getting away from the 91. New vehicles are arriving daily at your Toyota dealer, including powerful new Tacomas with their tough exterior, incredible towing capacity. To see all offers on a new Tacoma or find a dealer near you, visit Toyota.com. We make it easy. Our next report is at 7:35 from
80s, 90s today, same for tomorrow, cooler at the end of this week. 7:27.
Every year, we say exercise more, really rest, and eat healthier. It's hard for us. So much. Dogs are up at dawn, run for fun, sleep like champs, and they love eating fresh, healthy food every single meal. Give your dog another healthy habit. Real fresh food from the Farmer's Dog. Get 50% off your first box at thefarmersdog.com/radio.
If you owe back taxes to the IRS, have unfiled returns, or are worried about an audit, the IRS is hiring 87,000 new agents to address these very issues. That means if you need to get your tax problems resolved, now is the time to get started. I'm tax attorney Robert Goldstein, and my firm specializes in helping individuals and small businesses resolve their tax problems. We work to stop IRS and state seizures. We may be able to settle your tax debt for pennies. We prepare your past due returns, even if you have no records, and represent you before the IRS and state in an audit. At the law offices of Robert Goldstein, the consultation is always located throughout the Bay Area. To schedule your free consultation, call 1-888-TAX-EXIT. That's TAXEXIT. 888-TAX-EXIT, and make us your last stop.
Let's begin your meeting. I sense you want out of a relationship.
Yes, with my big name wireless carrier. That's why I switched to Xfinity Mobile. They can even wireless bill.
I definitely foresaw all this.
Start seeing savings today. Switch to the fastest mobile service, Xfinity Mobile. Now with the best price on 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Xfinity Internet required. Price comparison for 2 unlimited lines under available 5-year pricing plans of top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds up to 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Comcast analysis of mobile cellular data from Ookla Speed Test Intelligence Q2 2022.
We love lazy Sunday mornings in bed. The paper.
I make the coffee.
When it's time to buy a new mattress, we wanted to choose from a big selection.
And we found it at Sleepworld.
Now, Sunday mornings are more comfortable than ever.
Although, I still have to make the coffee.
Find your mattress story